Thanks to the digital era, more consumers than ever before are turning to computers and mobile devices to seek out local products and services. But the only problem is, millions of businesses still do not show up in the search results while their local target audience is looking for what they have to offer. You see, having a website simply isn't enough. Your site needs to be fully optimized if you want any chance of being seen in the search engines. In fact, search engine optimization goes beyond your website, covering areas such as local business listings, content marketing, video marketing, and more. The good news is, you don't have to tackle this complex, yet necessary, process alone. Our team of professional local search engine optimization specialists are equipped with powerful up-to-date techniques and years of experience to truly help you stand out from your competitors online. Don't make your potential customers work hard to find you. Contact us today.